I think about things as uh, individual, anything that you're doing with where you have people reflect on things individually. So individual reflection. There's group discussion or paired discussion. There's active experimentation is another one that I have a category around. And you could do that individually or you could do that in groups. But basically, you're kind of doing something. You've got a worksheet, you're doing a particular task, different from a discussion, which is here are some prompt questions for you to discuss. Then there is kind of debrief Q&A type stuff. Talks is I put talks or mini teachers as part of the formats. And a scenarios is the other one, like creating scenarios for people to think through. Again, they could do this individually or in groups.